everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get good profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financial advice by me. So always do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming video. Thank you. Okay, so today in this video we are going to talk about To the Moon. Here we are to the website of the project. This is a platform that has been gaining attention in the crypto space. Let me tell you that this is a centralized exchange. In this video, we will take a balanced look at what To the Moon is and how it functions as a crypto exchange platform. The interface is quite user-friendly, providing a clean overview of various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and others, along with their real-time market data. Whether you are tracking market movement or simply looking for a platform that consolidates these services, the exchange aims to provide a streamlined experience for its users. So first of all, here you have option to create account. Then you have to simply get some information about the project. You can trade on the go anywhere, anytime. What stands out here is a focus on simplicity and accessibility. Instead of overwhelming the user with complex data, the platform offers a straightforward view of popular coins and easier for everyone to observe current trends. It also includes sections for exchanges, services, and card features, which are designed to support our users' daily interaction with daily digital assets. About their affiliate program, you can check the lifetime commission details here. Here you can apply for the partnership and why we should go for To the Moon affiliate program. Because real rewards with withdraw, you can withdraw anytime, fixed bonus, personal affiliate manager, etc. And then how does it works? You earn more with every pro, then tools built for performance partners, and simply apply for affiliate program. Here we are redirected to the Twitter link. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more information about the project, and you have to simply follow them on Twitter to check the recent tweets, recent details of the project about To the Moon, and details of the project. So it's better to join the social channel to be able to understand the project. Alright guys, so this was all about today, but let me remind you once again that this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so always do your own research before invest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.